This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Saturday, September 17th. And yeah, looks like Fatser the gardener from Hayfley's out there with his son this morning. But we won't let them interfere. No birds yesterday. Not a single one. And not any in sight, but I saw a disturbance again in the sky around 4:30 in the afternoon. Someone's driving the birds from the school area away, out of the area. So the only one who comes to mind is Mr. Meister, the janitor, and Mrs. Meister, the janitor, husband and wife team of the Satel school here. Anyway, well, what are we going to do? I got to catch him in the act. So we know Mr. Meister already shot a crow that I tried to rescue. And so we know he has a gun. What I'm worried about is Charlie. The last time I saw Charlie was Thursday, I believe. Or was it Wednesday? I didn't see him yesterday. I thought I saw him once. Maybe once on Thursday, but I didn't do any videos on Thursday. The official last video of Charlie is on Wednesday. So, put this down here. I do see a couple of birds on the rooftop, but I don't see any Charlie. You would think that Charlie would be here. Okay? You would think that he would be here. And he's not. They're lining up on the terrace up there, as you can see. But, of course, Fatser's here. But the other crows don't seem to mind. Okay? So... but no Charlie. You would think Charlie would land on the field right now. I have no idea what to make of all of this. Why Charlie is not showing up. I told you Charlie did not look good Wednesday. So, anyway, there's plenty to eat here. I put some seed balls out. There's some potatoes left over, a little organic. Couple of cooked Brussels sprouts. They're normal things, so there's plenty of good things to eat. I just like to know where Charlie is. You know, sometimes Charlie lands on the field by himself and takes what he wants, but he's not landing here. He's not coming to me. Or something happened to Charlie. Okay? But he's not coming. Of course, that's very annoying. He would have to do that. He's trimming, though. He's trimming the bush, Mr. Fatser is. Just like to know where my little Charlie is. Because I don't see him. And I don't know why he's not coming down. Put this in the car. We got something here for here. Actually, yeah, okay. Leave that there. You see some up on the rooftop from the church. You see they're not going down on the field. What I'd like to know is where my little Charlie is. I'll put some stuff down here by the church here. And hope maybe we get a hold of Charlie. You would think Charlie would be hungry by now. You would think he'd be very hungry. Our little Charlie. because it's only 15 Celsius today. I got 2 t-shirts on and a jacket. It's cool. It's fall. So, no birds are coming down. We have just a small group of crows. No Seymour. No silver gulls. No storm gulls. No Charlie. Just a few crows waiting in the wings. So, well, if I have time today, I will be keeping an eye on the school. And certainly Sunday I have that on my schedule, even though I got a lot to do. This is also very important. I can't have, a YouTube channel about wild birds here on Lake Constance if I don't have any birds in my video. So they're all being driven away, which is impacting my YouTube channel, and also finding out, who's doing that, who's harassing the birds. So we'll find out. And where's our little Charlie? Where is our Charlie? So where's our little Charlie? Maybe I need to start going to the electrical box, putting something on there. Maybe Charlie will feel more comfortable coming back down there. Now all of a sudden the birds that were on the school are being, looks like they flew away from there and went back over here. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, something they saw, or someone they saw. Could have been Meister. It's Meister hanging around there right now. Anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Still no luck. We haven't had any birds since Wednesday, and it's Saturday. So we'll get to the bottom of it. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader wishing you a great Saturday and a great weekend. And fall has certainly arrived here on Lake Constance. Have a good one.